Hey Nicodim, what's up,
Hi.
man? What are you doing in the middle of the field?
Well, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions.
Hey guys, welcome to Advancebay. This is Dmitry from Advancebay, and this is my son.
Nicodemus from Advancebay Kids, which exists.
Which exists?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Well, why don't you guys check it out? Advancebay Kids. That's his channel. Well, we are here in the middle of the field on our property. Right behind me, you can see 3 palm trees. Do you see it, Nicodim?
Yeah, I do.
And do you see a driveway?
I live here.
You live here, okay, cool. He lives here. That's nice. Look at that bird. That's beautiful right there.
It's a flying spot.
But we are here to talk about different birds, right?
Yeah, owl.
So we'll show you guys this spot right now. Watch this.
Whoa, what is this doing here?
Look at this beautiful spot. Back in 2019, right after New Year's, barn owl was attacked by a hawk. And that morning, Nicodim, I went to open our gate, and right in front of me and our dog Cody, barn owl and hawk dropped at this spot right here. They were both locked. Did you see the video?
Yeah.
Would you recommend other people watching that video?
Yeah.
That's a cool video, guys. Watch. That video is getting almost 4 million views right now. And we are excited to do something, pay something back to barn owl. Did you know that they are being extinct?
No.
No?
How?
Well, right after World War II, 70% of barn owls were extinct because people building cities, building highways, freeways, and we have heavy traffic, which kills them at night.
To make it and put it out. Well,
Yeah.
if you want it for free, we'll ship it out.
If you have a big property and you know you have a barn owl somewhere, which we can build, we have all the equipment to do that, and we can ship that out to you. We will also show you guys the whole process, how we build the barn owl shelter. We got all the equipment, we got all the material. We only need some cash to do that. I'm thinking to open up a GoFundMe account so people actually can support this project. I think that should be a nice, right? So guys, support us. Down below we'll have the link for a GoFundMe account. We'll explain a little bit more what we're doing with this project. But otherwise, I think what we have to do right now is to go to the store.
Yeah.
Right? Are you ready to start that project?
Yeah.
Follow us to the store. We're gonna buy some material. Please comment below what do you think. Give us ideas. If you are interested in one of the barn owl shelters, let us know in the comments below. You know what? It's time to put them in shelters. Let's go to a store. You ready?
Yeah. Ready, set, go.
Ooh, this is the spot. I'm about to go to the store, buy some plywood to build those owl shelters. So let's look for Nicodemus. Nicodemus.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hi.
Are you coming with me?
Where?
To Home Depot.
Home Depot? For what?
We gotta buy some plywood.
Okay.
Okay, to build some houses for barn owls. Are you excited?
Sounds nice.
Sounds nice. And this is our van we're gonna use to bring that plywood. Hey, let's go, man.
I'm coming.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're gonna build some cool houses. Shelters for barn owls, man. Yeah, man. Let's go buy some plywood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give it a try.
No problem. Any of that stuff up there, the four of them, like I said, real wood. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, okay, let's go. We're heading home right now. Alright guys, we are back. We're back home with our plywood right there behind us, as you guys can see it. And we are about to start building our owl house. I want to show you guys our little shop with all the equipment. So guys, this is the machine. This is the magic machine right here that we're gonna cut our plywood in small pieces. But before we lay our plywood on this machine, we're gonna have to throw all the measurements before we start cutting.
Yep.
As it says, measure 100 times and cut once. Correct?
Yep.
Okay, so we don't want to ruin that plywood. We don't want to go back to Home Depot again, right? So,
True.
okay, it's gonna take a time. We're gonna do some research. What size is the best for barn owls, and we'll get back to you guys. Please stay tuned.